Well, here we go. We're going to end up flushing this out before we stick the water pump on. See what comes out of the cooling system. Also going to flush the radiator also. What's up, guys? Got the new water pump on, flushed the cooling system, and got the alternator on. Now here I'll take a quick look. As you can see, we're all good to go. Got the cooling system completely cleaned out to the best of my knowledge. No rusty water coming out. Nothing's leaking as of yet. We're going to go ahead and fill the radiator, see if the radiator's good. Throw the battery back in it. Throw some water in it just to run it through to break anything else up that we can get out of there. And finally get a full heat cycle in this thing. Charging system is fixed.